Welcome to this digital reset meditation from Positive 4 Mind. This brief 6-minute practice is designed to help you restore presence and focus after periods of digital fragmentation. I invite you to find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down, and allow your eyes to gently close. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you've been holding. In our connected world, our attention is constantly divided. Notifications, messages, and endless streams of information can leave our minds scattered and our energy depleted. This meditation offers a reset, a return to the present moment and your natural state of clarity. Begin by bringing awareness to your body. Feel the points of contact where your body meets the surface beneath you. Notice the weight, the pressure, the support. Now, bring your attention to any sensations of digital fatigue you might be experiencing. Perhaps tension around your eyes, tightness in your shoulders, or a buzzing sensation in your mind. Without judgment, simply observe these sensations. Imagine these feelings as pixels of digital static. With each breath out, visualize this static slowly dissolving, making space for clarity. Take another deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your shoulders softening, your jaw relaxing. Now, bring your awareness to your hands. The same hands that tap, scroll, and type throughout your day. Gently wiggle your fingers, feeling the aliveness in them. Then allow them to rest. Direct your attention to your natural breath. No need to control it. Simply observe the rhythm of your breathing, the rise and fall, the natural pauses. This breath has been with you since birth, long before any digital device entered your life. As thoughts arise about messages to respond to, information to process, or digital tasks to complete, acknowledge them with kindness. Then, imagine placing each thought into a virtual folder labeled Later, allowing your mind this moment of rest. Now, visualize a soft, warm light beginning at the crown of your head. With each breath, this light flows downward, washing away the fragments of digital noise, restoring your natural clarity and focus. The light moves down through your face, releasing any tension around your eyes that have been processing screens and digital information. The light continues down your neck and shoulders, areas that often hold the physical tension of digital engagement. The light flows through your torso, arms, and hands, the very hands that connect you to digital devices. Finally, the light moves through your legs and feet, grounding you fully in this moment, in your physical presence. Feel your entire body now, refreshed and reset. Your mind cleared of digital fragmentation. Your attention reclaimed. As we prepare to close this practice, set an intention for how you'll engage with technology moving forward. Perhaps with more awareness, with clearer boundaries, or with regular pauses for reset. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale, carry this sense of clarity and presence with you. Whenever you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing movement back to your body. Slowly blink your eyes open, returning to the space around you. Thank you for taking this time to reset with Positive 4 Mind. Remember, you can return to this practice whenever you need to restore your natural clarity and focus.